Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to create dashboard with this dataset. The objective of this project is to create a comprehensive yet concise sales analysis report for management utilizing sales transaction data. This report will offer insight into the overall sales performance, identify trends, help decision maker understand key business driver across different product categories. So now we'll start creating dashboard. So for that we need to select this data by clicking this, and after that here you can see called insert menu, just click on here, and after that here you can see called the pivot table, click on here, and after that from tables, and after that you can see called the OK, just click on here. Once you click here you can see all the column names of the data set. So first chart we'll create, that is total sales overview, to provide overall views of the total sales. So for that here will use this is price column by clicking this and drop in here, drag and drop under the values. And now we need to select the pivot chart. So in this time we are going to use, that is called column chart by clicking pivot chart, and after that here you can see column chart, and after that click on OK. To hide this, right click and hide all. To delete this, right click and delete it. Again right click and delete it. Now we need to change the title name. To change title name, click on here. Title name would be total sales overview. To resize this, you can do like this. So the chart that we already created. So what we have to do, just click on this plus button, new sheet, and rename it dashboard, and go to sheet 1 and copy this, Ctrl plus C, and go to dashboard and Ctrl plus V, paste it over. Just resize it if you want. So next chart, so the next chart will create, that is sales by category, to understand which category contribute most to the total sales. So for that, go to the main data set, click on here, again go to insert menu and click on here, and click on pivot table and click on from table range and click OK. So drag and drop here, category under the rows and prices under the values. To remove this blank, click on this, and after that you can see called blank and tick mark and click OK. So this time the chart that we'll use, that is bar chart. To get the bar chart, again click on the pivot chart, and here you can see called bar chart and click on the OK. To hide this, right click and hide all field. To hide this again, to delete this, just right click and delete it. And title name would be, that is sales by category. To resize this, and now just copy Ctrl plus C and go to dashboard and paste it here, Ctrl plus V. Next chart will create, that is sales by payment method, to visualize the distribution of the sales by different payment method. So for that, again go to the main data set and go to insert menu, and after that here you can see called pivot table, again click from the table range and click OK. So this time we'll drag and drop, this is the column name called as a payment method, drag and drop under the rows, and price, drag and drop under the values. To remove this blank again, click on this menu, and after that click on uncheck mark this and click OK. So this time we'll use the pie chart. To get the pie chart, further here you can see called a pivot chart. Click on here again, and here you can see pivot and click OK. So to hide this, right click and hide alt. To show the data, click on this plus button, and here you can see called the data labels. Click on here. So to change the title name here, just click on here. There is sales by payment method. So now we need to copy this. Control, sorry, uh, just click on here, Control plus C, and go to dashboard and paste it here. So next we'll create, there is sales by shopping mall, to compare how different the shopping mall perform in the term of sales. So for that, go to the main data set and click on insert menu and click on pivot table, and after that here you can see called from table range and click OK. Here in this time we'll use, there is first we'll use, this is a payment method. Under the rows, just drag and drop here, just a moment, drag and drop here, and price will drag and drop under the values. To remove this blank, just click on this option again, click on untick mark here and click on OK. So this time we'll use again the column chart. To get the column chart again, click on pivot table, pivot chart, and click on this. OK. To hide this, right click and hide all field, and to delete this, right click and delete it. So our title name, is, that is sales by shopping mall. So now what we have to do this, just copy this, Ctrl plus C, and go to dashboard and paste it here, Ctrl plus V. So the next chart will create, that is top products sold by quantity, to identify which product categories are selling most in terms of quantity. So for that, go to the main data set, click on here, and after that here you can see called the insert menu, click on here again, click on pivot table and click on from table range, and after that here you can see called the OK, click on here. So here uh, so here in this time we'll use, there is quantity, just drag and drop under the rows and drag and drop under the values of the price. Okay, so to remove this blank option again, just click on this and again click on untick mark and click OK. So now this time we'll use, that is again column chart. So for that, here you can see called a pivot chart, click on here again, click on again columns, and after that click on OK. To hide this value name, just right click and hide all fields, and then to remove or delete this, right click and delete it. So our title name, or our title name is, that is top product sold by quantity. So now copy this, Ctrl plus C, and go to dashboard and paste it here. So the next and final chart we'll create, that is sales by customer age group, to analyze the self performance based on the customer age group. So for that, click on here customer shopping data, and again click on here again insert, and click on pivot table, and click on from table range, and click OK. So okay, so now the chart will use, that is column chart. To get the column chart, for that again click on pivot chart, and after that here you can see the column, and click OK. So to hide this, click right click on it and hide all field, and here you can see the ace voice data. To remove this again, right click and delete it. To change the title name, there is sales by customer ace group. Just copy this, Ctrl plus C, and go to dashboard. To copy this, click on here, Ctrl plus C, and go to dashboard, and Ctrl plus V. So now here you can see all the chart has been created. So now we'll create, that is the project title name. So for that, here you can see called the insert menu. Click on here, and after that here you can see called the text, and click on text box, and after that here name is, that is sales analysis sys report for management. So just, since we need the background color should be green, and color should be white. By clicking this, click on white, and make sure this, we need bold, and font size should be 24 would be enough, and alignment should be center. So guys, this is the report that already we have created. So now we need to interconnect all the chart. So for that we'll use, that is slicer. So for that, click one of those chart, and after that here you can see called the pivot chart analyze, and after that here you can see insert slicer. But in this time I want to check ace voice data. For that I'll use, that is ace, and click on OK, and keep in this side, and resize this. Already added, that is slicer. But another problem is that when I click this 18 of age, but it is only changing the total sales overview chart, but I want to connect all the chart. So for that, here you can see, just click on here slicer, and after that here you can see call the slicer again, click on here, and after that here you can see call the report connection, click on here, and after that just tick mark all the chart like this. Just scroll down and click OK. So so now let me check whether it is interconnected or not by clicking 18, 19. Here you can see it is interconnected. So in this way you can create a report for your client. So some people call report and some people call dashboard. Okay, so in this way you can create dashboard. So if you want to modify, okay, more than this, then also you can do. This is a simple, okay, This is a just like simple, and this is a demo type that I made for you all. So if you like this video, so please don't forget to subscribe my channel, and see you in next video. Bye bye.